So we continue with sum number 7 of exercise 15A, similarity. In the given figure, so you need the figure first. So let's see the figure. So that's triangle ABC, and inside over here there is a DME, which will be the line parallel over here. They are given certain values. AE is equals to 15, EC is equals to 9, NC is equals to 6, and BN is equals to 24. So write all possible similar triangles, first one. So first is all possible similar triangles. Second one is find ME and DM. Okay, now talking about the similar triangles, we know that this line are parallel, so this angle and this angle will be equal. This is common, so ये दोनों triangle equal similar हो गए, so it will be triangle AME similar to triangle ANC. Next one, same way here, this and this are corresponding angles, this and this are again corresponding angles, or you can take A as common again. So triangle ADM similar to triangle ABN. Now taking the complete triangle, the bigger one, ये और ये equal है और ये और ये equal है, तो triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Got it? So these are the three sets of the similar triangles. All of them can be proved by AA test. Now coming to this part. Now because here I got this and this, so I can take these two triangles and get the value of ME. And once I get the value of ME, उसके बाद में I wanted the value of DM, so I can take the bigger one. So let's do one by one. I'll start from here. In triangle AME and triangle ANC, you got angle A is equals to angle A common. You got angle E is equals to angle C, alternate interior. Therefore, triangle AME similar to triangle ANC by AA test. So with this we know that AE upon AC is equals to ME upon NC by CSST. AE is 15 and AC is 15 plus 9, that is 24. ME is what we need to find out, where NC is 6. So ME is equals to 15 into 6 upon 24. 6 fours, that is 15 upon 4, that will be giving us 3 point, now 4 to 30, so 7, 28, 5, 3.75 centimeters. The next thing will be, you are going to take triangle in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Angle A is equals to angle A common, and angle ADE is equals to angle ABC, alternate interior. No, sorry, it is corresponding. Here also it will be corresponding, sorry. will be corresponding angles. So triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC by AA test. Accordingly, we have what you want is AE upon AC is equals to DE upon BC CSST. AE is 15 upon 24 is equals to DE. We don't know DE, but we know we DE ले लेते हैं. DE upon BC is 30. So DE will be equal to 15 into 30 upon 24. 6 4s are 6 5s are, and then it will be 75 upon 4. That will give you as 1 and then 35. So 18.35, 30 to 30, 37.5. 18.75 centimeters. Now you know that you wanted DM. So DM is equal to 18.75 minus 3.75 is equal to 15 centimeters. Because this we know that we found out this as 3.75, and this automatically will be accordingly 15 because this is total is 18.75. So this was sum number 7. Easy one. Yeah, lengthy but easy. We move on to sum number 9. Sum number 9. They're given a figure, so or trapezium, and one diagonal and then one just line in between. Okay, this is parallel to this. This is A, B, P, C, D, Q and O, OA. BO is given to you as 6. DQ is given as 8. Find BP into DO. BP into DO. Okay. So yeah, we need to take these two triangles first, vertically opposite angles, and this are parallel lines, so this angle will be equal to this angle. So in triangle BOP and triangle DOQ, angle O is equal to angle O, vertically opposite angle, and angle PBO is equal to angle QDO, that is alternate interior angle. Therefore, triangle BOP similar to triangle DOQ by AA test. Therefore, what we need is, see, you want BP over here, so BP upon DQ is equals to, what you already know is BO upon DO. Okay, this is DQ. This is CSST. Now what is BP? BP we don't know, but BP we need to find out. So BP, DQ I know is 8 is equals to BO is 6 upon DO. अब जस्ट इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, BP into DO is equals to 8 into 6 is 48 centimeters. So that's it. 48 in fact, just centimeters, no centimeters over there. Centimeter square लिखने अभी जरूरत नहीं है. So that will be the answer as 48 centimeter square. Yeah, they are writing it centimeter square of course. So BP into DO. So this part is given as 48 centimeter square. Okay, we move on to sum number 11. Now in sum number 11 that is true or false. Actually करने की जरूरत नहीं है because कभी भी पेपर में आता नहीं है, but many times what happens is the true or false helps you to identify certain important you can say the features, or you can say understanding the concepts of the thing better when you see true or false. So that's why we are just going to go through true or false. Let's see the true or false. Two similar polygons are necessarily congruent. So two similar polygons. So are two similar polygons going to be congruent? No, they are never going to be congruent. So it is false. So first one is false. Two congruent polygons necessarily similar? Yes. If the two triangles or two quadrilaterals or two trapeziums or two hexagons are congruent, then automatically they are also similar. The ratio of the sides will be 1:1. So still they are similar. So true. All equiangular triangles are similar. Yes, equiangular triangles are similar because if the angles are equal, then they are going to be equal. So that's why equiangular triangles are similar. True. All isosceles triangles are similar? No, not at all. Because isosceles triangle हो सकता है कि दूसरे दो जो sides equal जो angles है वो same नहीं हो. एक में 45, 45, 90 है, दूसरे में 30, 30, 120 है. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So it are not similar. So all isosceles triangles are not similar. False. Two isosceles right angle triangles are similar? Yes, of course. Two right angle triangle है तो एक right angle है तो दूसरे isosceles में क्या होगा? 45, 45. So any such triangle which will be isosceles and right angle will be 45, 45, 90 only. That's why they are similar. So true. Two isosceles triangles are similar if an angle of one is congruent to the corresponding angle of the other. No, not necessarily, because अगर समझो एक जगह पे, let me see. Two isosceles triangles are similar if an angle of one is congruent to the corresponding of the other. So okay, so because it is the corresponding angle, so yes, it will be same, because if the angle is equal, then automatically the other two pairs, which is the congruent angles, they could be equal. So you can easily make out that they are similar. So yes, so two isosceles triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, if they are already given that they are similar, then angles of its corresponding angles will be equal. Two isosceles triangles are similar if an angle of one is congruent to the right. Okay, it's true. The diagonals of a trapezium divide each other into proportional segments. Yeah, it is true, because diagonals are going to be such that यही जैसे triangle है, अगर diagonal बना होता तो क्या था, ये इस ratio of this is to this will be equal to ratio of this is to this. So yes, it will be true that the diagonals of a trapezium divide each other in proportional segments. That was sum number 11. We move on to sum number 13. D is the point on the side BC of a triangle ABC, such that, so it is triangle ABC D is a point on BC such that angle ADC is equals to BAC. Okay. Angle ADC, if this and angle BAC, that is this angle, is equal. ADC is equals to this angle BAC. Prove that. So you need to prove that AC square BC CA square is equals to BC into CD. So you're going to take the two triangles over here, the big one and the smaller one. So it will be this way. In triangle ABC and triangle, now A का corresponding D है इधर, तो D, B के corresponding में यहाँ पे C is the common thing over here, so उसके पहले A आएगा, so A and then C. Understood? This is A, which is X, and this is also X. So these two are same correspondence. So A के corresponding will be D. C is the common angle between the two. So C will be C only. So बाकी का B and A will be accordingly placed. Yeah, same thing we write over here. Angle C is equal to angle C common. And we write angle BAC is equal to angle ADC given. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DAC by AA test. So we write over here AB upon AD is equals to BC upon AC is equals to AC upon DC. So we don't want this part. This is CSST. Cross multiply, you get AC square is equals to BC into DC. That is exactly what AC square is equal to. So if you want, you can write it again. Hence proved. Okay, that was sum number 13. We now move on to sum number 15. Given RS and PT are altitudes of triangle PQR, prove that. Okay. Sum number 15. Triangle PQR RS is one altitude and PT is another altitude. You need to prove that triangle PQT similar to triangle QRS, and second thing is PQ into QS is equals to RQ into QT. Okay, so let's start. PQT, that is this triangle, and QRS S कहाँ से आ गया? Sorry, S is here. Okay, so this triangle and this triangle, so you can see Q is common and this is 90-90 each, very simple. So in triangle PQT and triangle PQT and RQS. Okay, because Q is common in both of them. S and T are 90-90, so they are on the list. So this is the correspondence. So we know that angle Q is equal to angle Q common, and we have angle Q. Sorry, that will be angle PTQ is equal to angle RSQ, altitude 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle PQT similar to triangle RQS by AA test. So writing the correspondence now, PQ upon QR is equals to QT upon QS is equals to PT upon RS. What we want is PQ, QS, PQ, QS, PRQS. So we don't need this. This is CSST. Therefore, PQ into QS is equals to QR into QT. That was sum number 15. We now move on to sum number 17. Sum number 17, the figure first. So this is the figure, that is F, B, D, C is over here, which is 90 degree, and you forward like this and put a line over here. This is 90 degrees. This is A. You are given that FB given FB is equals to FD. Okay, this is equal to this. So you know that this angle will be equal to this angle because the isosceles triangle now, right? Okay, what we want is to prove that FB upon FD is equals to BC upon ED. FB, FD, BC, ED. E का है? Okay. So we want BC over here. So this triangle is required. So we'll take the triangles. First one in triangle. So first of all, we just need to write this thing, that in triangle FBD, FB is equals to FD. Therefore, angle FBD is equals to angle FDB. Sides opposite to equal angles. Angle opposite to equal side. Angles opposite to equal sides, or simple ways, isosceles triangle. Now in triangle FBC and triangle ADE, angle FBD is equals to C भी लिख सकते हैं, is equals to angle FDB, that is nothing but FDB is also ABDE, so that will be ADE. Okay, isosceles triangle. Angle 90 degree. FCB is equals to angle AED, perpendicular given. Therefore, triangle FBC similar to triangle ADE by AA test. Up FB upon FD. F कहाँ गया? Oh. Lafda किया. What do you want is Oh, I thought so. This has to be AD. Now it's okay. So FB upon AD is BC upon ED. CSS. Proved. Finish. Sum number 17. Okay, now we move on to sum number 19. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and BD. Okay, I'll do this in the next video because it is quite big also. So I'll better do it in the next video. I'll stop the video for this one.